Laura just wants her phone to be broken.
She never uses it anyway.
Okay, these are nice action shots. Make it more graceful. I don't know. Yeah, like fold your legs a little bit. Perfect. Fantastic. Oh my gosh. Fold your leg. Oh yeah. You're doing great. Fantastic. And then
Okay, I'm gonna jump.
no, that lays right there. And then this and this.
Okay. I'm gonna take this pack off. Hold on.
You no, don't have to. Okay. So, lovely. This. Go right there.
I feel it.
You got this one though. You're not gonna slip here. So you can trust me. Simple.
All right, Mo, can you stay there?
No.